Okay, so first of all, what's this all about? Sports betting arbitrage, otherwise known as scalping, sure bets, or arbitrage trading, there's a whole lot of different names for it, all refer to the one thing: the idea of making a guaranteed profit from the difference in odds between the sportsbooks. Now, normally, backing all outcomes of a single event at a single bookmaker would result in you guaranteeing a loss of a few percent. This is the bookmaker's margin. However, if we take the best competing odds that we can find from different bookmakers, it's possible to make it so that a guaranteed loss turns into a guaranteed profit. So by betting on those high odds so that your winnings are the same no matter what the outcome, this is known as arbitrage, or otherwise known as arbing. Examples are the easiest way to clarify exactly what this means. So just consider a tennis match where you can bet $100 on each player and you can get odds for each player at 2.05 European odds at two different bookmakers. Altogether, you'll outlay $200, obviously $100 at each bookmaker. But if either bet wins, you're going to receive 100 times 2.05, which is $205. So with a $200 outlay, that's a $5 profit no matter who wins. So that's obviously a very simplistic example. Let's have a look at something a little bit more realistic. Let's say that Pinnacle Sports has odds of 1.1 on Team A and 8 on Team B. And let's say that CanBet, they're a different bookmaker, have odds of 1.2 on Team A and odds of 5 on Team B. In order to help you understand exactly how arbitrage works, the following list shows you what needs to be wagered to win $1,000 from the odds offered on this game. So for Pinnacle Sports, $909.10 at odds of 1.1 will win you exactly $1,000, or $125 exactly at odds of 8.0 will win you $1,000 also. And for our bets at CanBet, $833.35 at odds of 1.2 will win you $1,000, or $200 at odds of 5 will win you $1,000. I know this is a little bit confusing, but stay with me, it's all going to make sense in a sec. Looking at those numbers, you can clearly see that backing both possible outcomes at Pinnacle will cost you $1,034.10 and you'll only win $1,000, so it's going to cost you $34 just over. And backing both sides at CanBet will cost you $1,033.35 and still again it's only going to win you $1,000. So it's going to cost you just $33.50. So clearly both Pinnacle and CanBet have set their odds well, such that they're going to make a profit no matter who wins. However, if you back the underdog at Pinnacle at odds of 8 and the favourite at CanBet at odds of 1.2, the total that you'd be placing in order to win $1,000 would be $958.35. And that way you'd be winning $1,000. This is a guaranteed profit of $41.65 because you're using the difference in each bookmaker's price. So no matter who wins, you'll win $1,000 and you've only outlaid $958.35. It's also possible to make a three-way arbitrage bet. So for example, in a game of soccer, Team A could win, Team B could win, or there could be a draw. It's also possible to back all three outcomes, sometimes with 3 different bookmakers, and still bank a profit. So arbitrage trading is as simple as that. In practice, it involves comparing the odds of numerous bookmakers to find the best odds on offer, seeing if those odds create a profitable return or not. If they do, place the bets and wait for the match to play out to claim your profit. You'd be amazed at the number of things that you can bet on and therefore potentially arb. Anything from the Estonian Soccer League to Danish hockey, handball, Formula 1, snooker, darts, and obviously the more common stuff. If people play it, you can bet on it and therefore you can arb it. The opportunities are endless.